Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But in the world of cryptocurrencies, it's a reality known as staking. You see, staking is a fascinating process that allows your digital assets to generate more wealth. It's like a high-tech version of a savings account, but instead of fiat money, we're dealing with digital currencies. When you stake, you're essentially locking up your cryptocurrencies in a network to support operations like transaction validation and security. In return, you get rewarded. This is how you earn passive income in the crypto universe. It's a win-win situation where you help maintain the network's integrity and get compensated for it. Now, isn't that an exciting prospect? Making your crypto work for you without the need for active trading or investing? It's like having a goose that lays golden eggs. So, are you intrigued by the idea of making your crypto work for you? Keep watching. So, what exactly is staking in the crypto world? Let's dive right into it. First, imagine a world where your money doesn't just sit in your bank account. Instead, it's actively participating in a system that not only helps maintain the security and operation of a network, but also earns you rewards. Welcome to the world of staking in cryptocurrencies. Staking is a critical element of the proof of stake, or POS blockchain systems. In these systems, the creation of new blocks, also known as block validation, is not done by miners crunching numbers and consuming energy. Instead, it's done by stakers. These are people, just like you and me, who have a certain amount of cryptocurrency and are willing to stake it for the chance to validate transactions. In the proof of stake model, anyone with the minimum required balance of a particular cryptocurrency can become a validator. Validators are chosen randomly to create a new block based on their wealth, defined as the number of tokens they hold, and the age of these tokens. This process is known as coinage and is a measure of the product of the number of coins held times the number of days those coins have been held. Now you might be wondering, what's in it for me? Well, when you stake your coins, you earn staking rewards. These rewards are akin to earning interest on your balance. They're paid out of the new coins generated by the network or transaction fees paid by people who make transactions on the network. Staking is a win-win situation. On one hand, it helps maintain the security and operation of the blockchain network. On the other hand, it helps you grow your crypto assets without trading or investing more capital. In essence, staking is a way of participating actively in a blockchain network. It's about more than just holding a cryptocurrency. It's about supporting the network, validating transactions, and reaping rewards for your contribution. With staking, you're not just storing your crypto. You're actively using it to help validate transactions and keep the blockchain secure. Now that you understand what staking is, let's explore how you can start staking cryptocurrencies. First and foremost, you need to decide which coin you would like to stake. There are many options available, each with its unique benefits and potential returns. Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cardano are just a few examples. When making your decision, consider factors such as the coin's market value, its staking rewards, and the size of its staking community. Once you've chosen a coin, the next step is to acquire some. You can do this by purchasing them on a cryptocurrency exchange or earning them through mining, if applicable. Remember, the more coins you stake, the higher your potential earnings. Now, let's talk about wallets. A wallet is where you'll be holding and staking your coins. There are different types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and web wallets. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store your coins offline, offering the highest level of security. Software wallets are applications that you install on your computer or phone, and web wallets are online platforms. Choose a wallet that supports the coin you've chosen and that also aligns with your security needs. Once you have your coins in your wallet, you're ready to start staking. The process varies slightly depending on the coin and the wallet, but generally it involves going to the staking section of your wallet, selecting the amount of coins you'd like to stake, and then confirming your choice. Some wallets even offer the option to delegate your coins to a validator, which can earn you rewards without the need for you to run a node. And there you have it. You're now a bona fide staker. As a staker, you're not just earning passive income, you're also playing an essential role in securing the network and validating transactions. Staking isn't just about earning passive income. It's also about participating in the security and functionality of a blockchain network. Like any investment, staking comes with its own set of risks and rewards. Now let's delve into these aspects. On the rewards side, staking allows you to earn interest on your staked coins. By simply keeping your cryptocurrencies in a staking wallet, You can earn a steady stream of passive income. It's like having your money work for you while you sleep. But here's the flip side. Staking also involves risks, the most prominent one being the potential for loss if the price of the staked cryptocurrency falls. You see, despite the interest you earn from staking, if the coin's value drastically drops, you might end up with less than what you started with. It's a bit like riding a roller coaster. It can be thrilling, but it also comes with its share of dips. But remember, with great potential rewards comes great potential risk. Always do your research before staking your crypto. So now you have the basics of staking and how you can use it to earn passive income. In essence, we've unpacked the concept of staking as a unique form of securing blockchain networks while rewarding participants. We've walked through the process of staking, from choosing the right currency and platform to locking up your tokens and reaping the rewards. We also delved into the potential risks and rewards, highlighting the importance of due diligence and understanding market volatility. The potential for passive income is enticing, but it's crucial to remember that staking isn't a guaranteed win. It's a strategic move that requires careful consideration, bearing in mind that the crypto market is as dynamic as it is unpredictable. Staking offers a unique opportunity to earn passive income from your crypto. But as with all things in life, it's important to understand what you're getting into. So, are you ready to make your crypto work for you?